Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, welcome back to our lesson. We are looking at averages today, the mean, median, mode, and range. So, let's start off with the first one. So, if you have looking at the mean, what is the mean? Mean is that one. We have to add up all the values and divide it by the number of values. Well, that's the mean. Now we can look at the median. Median is the middle value. But it's only the middle value after you have ordered the numbers. So after you order the numbers, after you put them in order. We normally order the numbers from small to big. Okay? We normally order this, but if you do large to small, that also works. It doesn't really make any difference. Okay, right, later, are we ready? Next one is the mode. The mode is the what? The most frequent value. It's the value that happens the most often. Okay, last but not least, we have the range is a nice easy one. I love the range. Range is always the largest value minus the smallest value. So we've got an exercise here, exercise number 1, 2, and many of those are here. And we're going to look at some of those questions now. Okay, have you copied down those notes for folks first of all? Because I need to wipe the page and start doing some questions. No, not yet. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at exercise number 1. It says find the mean of these numbers. We're actually going to do we're going to work out the mean, median, and range of that question number 1. So question number 1. Here we go. So we got 2, 5, 6, and 3. I'm on purposely I've messed up the order to show you something. Yes, go on. Yes, please. As I'm doing it, write it down. Yeah, you won't have time afterwards. As I'm doing it, please copy it down. So we've been given these 4 numbers. So first of all, we're going to work out the mean. So to work out the mean, we add them up. You don't need to order them for the mean. Hang on a second. We add them all up and divide it by how many they are. So there's 4 values. So let's have a look. Let's do it slowly. 2 add 5 will give you 7. 7 add 6 will give you 13. 13 add 3 will give you
16.
16. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. That's what the median is. Now I'm going to work out the median. To work out the median, we need to order the numbers first of all. So which number goes first? 2. And then?
3.
And then?
5.
And then?
6.
Okay, now, to work out the median, we need to go in the middle. And the middle is where? There. Now, there's no number in the middle. Normally, not normally, but sometimes whenever you have an odd number of values, the middle number is actually that'll give you the median. You can actually grab a number. Here, we have to go in between 3 and 5. So what number is between 3 and 5? So the median is here between 3 and 5, and the median is equal to 4. Now, how would you work out mathematically if you didn't know what the middle number was? Say the number was 13 and the other number was say 25 or something. How would you work out the middle number if you couldn't just see it? What would you do?
You see how many there are to the other number, then you do the middle one.
Yes, you could do that, but that could be a bit long sometimes. The quickest way of doing that would be to...
What the difference between 3 and 24?
It's not difference, the sum. You add them up and divide it by
2.
So you actually just average those numbers.
Yeah.
So if, for example, you had 13 and you had 129 or something, you just add them up and divide it by 2. That'll give you the median. Lovely. Let's move on to the mode now. So we've got the mode now. Sorry, actually, mode here, actually, there's no mode. So we just say that's not applicable. There is no mode for this question because there's not all the numbers happen only once. Okay, the range. So Moise, what is the range? How do you work out the range?
Largest value minus the smallest.
Largest value is 6 and the smallest value is
2.
2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Now don't be alarmed that you got 4 here, a 4 here, 4. It doesn't matter. You can have 4s everywhere. It doesn't make any difference. But that's how we do a basic question. We've got mean, median, and range. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Let me just clear the page. Let's have a go at question number, which one is it? One. Okay. 517221. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, number 7. Okay, we've got 8, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to work out the median first for this question. The median is what, Bilal? Tell me what median is.
The median is the middle value
After you range it in order of size. So we start off with number 1. And then, Moise, 1,
number
then 2,
1, then
3, and then last but not least is 8. Now the median is the middle value. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's lovely. We got odd number of values. So the middle value is actually here. So the median actually is 2. We can just literally grab the number and that is the answer. Before we have to work it out, when this case is an odd number of values, we can just grab it. We happy with that? Okay, next. Lovely. Let's move on to the next bit. So now we're going to work out the mean. So the mean, I'm just going to use this 1, add 2, add them all up, and divide it by 5. 1 add 1 is 2, 2 add 2 is 4, 4 add 3 is 7, 7 add 8 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Lovely. So we worked out the median, we worked out the mean. Now we're going to work at the mode. So if you want to work out the mode, Ramiz, remind us, Ramiz, please only, what is the mode? The mode is the most frequent or most common value. So if you look over here, which value happens more than once?
1.
The number 1 happens twice, which is more than everything else happens once, and the number 1 happens twice. So it happens more than anything else. So the mode is just simply 1. Okay, Mr. Bilal, I need you to take in charge of the next question. I want to work out the range. Can you define the range to us? Explain to us what it means and how do we do it?
It means the largest number take with the
Smallest. Okay, now what is the largest and what is the smallest?
The largest is the 8.
And the smallest is the 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. So far we've done today, folks. Is it hard?
No.
Nice and straightforward, yeah? So I'm going to give you some questions for you to do now, and I want you to practice them for the next couple of minutes. Okay, and I'll come around and give anybody help who needs help. But let me just enlarge this page first of all. Whoa, that's nice and big. Okay, right. I would like you to have a go at question 3. Question 10. Okay, exercise 13. The only one you to work out the range, so that should be nice and easy. Number 2 and number 6. So this exercise is range. This exercise is mean, but I also, for now, for this classwork, I want you also to work out for me the median. Whoa, this pen writes fast. Very funky. Like a funky monkey. Median and, so work out the mean and the median. And that's it. I work out the range for these two. And this one here, I want you to work out the mean. And this one here, I want you to work out the mean, median, mode, range, everything for that one. All of them. So all 4 averages for this one, just the mean for that one. This one is mean and median. This one is mean, median, range, and mode. This one is range only. Off you go. This one is mean, and we have mode and the median. Off you go, folks. This is the question I would like you to try now, please. If you need any help, put your hand up. Okay, these are the answers. for the exercise. Some of the answers anyway.